pancakes. Hi, Dude Bros. I get Dude Bros. You want to eat some pancakes? Dude Bros TV. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell.
We are heading to Firehouse Subs to get our free Fisher Price build your own fire truck kit. Comes with a kids meal. So we're gonna get a kids meal for Ivan, and we're gonna get a kids meal for Weston. I believe our dude bros are afraid of subs. So we're gonna get the grilled cheese, a Rice Krispie treat, and a drink. And I think they get a free fire hat. And we'll get our Fisher Price giveaway. All right, guys, we're pulling in. It's a brand new Firehouse Subs that just got built right by our house. Right there, see the Firehouse Subs?
I can't wait to get my Fisher Price fire truck.
All right, guys, we're parked. We're ready to go. Weston, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. See that? Chocolate.
Did I saw? Oh, wheel hats.
Oh, that's sweet. And they got the fire helmets. Jacket. Weston, look at that cool picture up there. Look at all these chips. Tell me which one's your favorite. Weston's in. Oh, yeah. All right, Weston, you got our bag of food.
We got a fire truck kit and we're heading back home. Down. Down. Down, down. I dropped the fucking knife.
Weston, did you like Firehouse Subs?
Yeah.
And now it's time to build the Rescue Heroes Firehouse Subs fire truck. All right, it looks like it says ages 3 and up. Rescue Heroes, made by Fisher Price. And there's a QR code here, only found at Walmart. We're so excited to build this and show you guys what it looks like. Weston, would you like to do the honors and take the fire truck out of the bag?
Yeah.
Okay.
So let me take out the directions.
You can take it all out.
Oh.
So this is the instructions that it came with.
Take this to the back.
Really easy if you guys like doing Legos and things like that. It's step by step with numbers and pictures. Is that pretty easy to do, Weston?
Yeah.
Do you think even a squirrel could figure that out?
And if you see an animal like took your piece, just trying to like go in the back and like squeeze him, and then he will shoot it out of his mouth.
Where did that conversation
And
just go?
And like you do this, or you can do your neck.
Wow.
And it
That's
pops out.
That's a lot of information. He is the one who got the kids meal, so technically this is his fire truck.
Oh, here's another guy. Let me take the guy out first.
All right, so we're gonna pop the guy out first. We're not gonna follow the directions. All right, we're gonna get all the pieces out of the packaging really quick, okay? Last piece. All right, so now look, guys, garbage. All right, this is all done. So now we have all the pieces out. Follow the instructions step by step. Number 1. All right, what do we got? The bottom. So we got one side on, dippity doo dah. We got the bottom on. We got some artwork on the bottom. Rescue Heroes, exciting episodes. Visit rescueheroes.com for some epic Firehouse episodes. What do you think about that? Oh. So they got these little slits. and then everything hooks into each other, so it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think this is looking cool. So we did step 1, step 2. We are on step 3. Ready, Weston? What's step 3?
Top.
So back goes right down in. So there's the back. There's the back, guys. We got it on. Cool. We got the water blaster. We got the Rescue Heroes logos all over the sides and the back. Next up, number 4, the front driving cockpit. Weston's getting a little distracted and he's working ahead.
Hey.
Alright, so we got all of our sides on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got the windshield, so we can drive now. Alright, step number 5 is next. So this is the roof. See the roof? They got a gray side and a side with artwork on it, so obviously the artwork goes on top. Alright guys, we're protected from the rain. Is this right? Whoa guys, hold on. Weston just did number 7, number 8, and number 9 all by himself. Weston, would you like to put the ladder on the fire truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we've got our ladder on, and now we have fire. Wait, what did you make? Did you decide what his name was gonna be? Fire Chief. Wait, what is this guy's name? I don't even know his name. Do you guys know his name? Comment down below.
His name is gonna be either John Cena or Christian Yelich.
Okay, so this is okay.
John Cena.
Okay, so this is Fire Chief John Cena and his Rescue Heroes Firehouse Subs fire truck. Comment down below if his name is not Fire Chief John Cena, because I have a feeling that somebody already uses that name.
If you guys know what his name is, comment down below. You should remember, but I just told you the name, John Cena. And John Cena's a wrestler.
Alright guys, so that was really cool. It was super easy. We got a kids meal, we got a fire truck, we got these sweet fire chief hats. Thank you Fisher Price, thank you Firehouse Subs, Rescue Heroes, found only at Walmart according to this instruction booklet. Fisher Price, you rocked it, cool toy. Boys are gonna love playing with it.
And guys, you remember Ivan? Guess what? He's asleep again. Gang Firehouse Subs. Gang Fisher Price. Bye, dude. Well.